The Bangladesh Army possesses a number of multiple launch rocket systems originating from various sources. Today, Bangladesh operates a relatively modern MLRS fleet from China, the Weishi WS-22. This artillery system is in service with Bangladesh since at least 2014. A total of 49 systems were delivered to Bangladesh. It's a low-maintenance system with main features of simpler control system, quick response, easy operation, and simpler maintenance, good compatibility, and high mobility. The WS-22 is an improved version of the PR-50 Sandstorm MLRS, which was developed specially for export. The layout is similar to the previous Sandstorm PR-50. It has two ports of 122mm artillery rockets and carries two reload ports. However, the WS-22 is based on a more mobile chassis. Rockets of the WS-22 reportedly have a simpler terminal guidance. Range of fire is up to 45 km. The launcher can also carry WS-33 missiles with GPS guidance and a range of 70 km, as well as WS-43 loitering munitions with a range of 60 km. The Bangladesh variant is mounted on a Thailand 6x6 heavy-duty truck with cross-country capability. There are twin 20-set launchers with another 40 rockets carried on board for faster self-reloading. The truck was also equipped with a hydraulic crane system and onboard fire control system. These missiles are stored in factory-fitted and sealed cases, allowing for faster reload times and protecting the warhead from damage during handling. A crew of 5 operate the WS-22 in the cup. Moreover, unlike other artillery systems of its class, the WS-22 is equipped with a retractable canvas cover to help disguise the rocket launcher vehicles as cargo truck. A battery of WS-22 MLRS includes a meteorological station, 6 ammunition carrier trucks, 6 launcher units, and a 4x4 command vehicle. If required, the WS-22 launcher unit can be operated independently and remotely.